Good morning, children, and my dear parents. Welcome back to LKG coloring class. How are you all, children? I hope you all are keeping well. Now, what is our topic for today? You all must be thinking that, isn't it? Now, children, what is this? Yes, it is the picture of a train. You all have traveled in it, right? Yes, we travel in it from one place to another. We travel mostly to far off places in a train. We come across many people in it, isn't it? Yes. Now, a train journey, it's very interesting. You all must have enjoyed train journeys. Now, children, so our topic for today is the train. Now, children, this is your Art Express book. In this book, you will open to page number 12 and page number 13. So, here you can see you have the picture of a train. What is written here? Come, I'll read it for you. Toot, toot, say these trains. They are going to different places. Color the train at the bottom. You have already the colored picture of the train on top and you have to see this and color the train at the bottom. Now children, when you color carefully, okay, by seeing these colors on top. Now which are the colors that have been used? The colors that have been used are orange, blue, yellow, red, purple, green, yellow, again then we have navy blue, and these colors are the ones I have already told you. So come, let's start coloring. I'll show you on the board. First we begin to color with the engine. So what color was it? It was of orange color. Let us color this. Now children, you have to color it very nicely in the same direction as you have learnt earlier. Now children, as you are seeing, we have to make our train very colorful as given in your book. Okay, you see we have all colored it with orange color. Next we have to use the yellow color over here. Then blue color. Nicely you have to color these places because your color should not get mixed up with the other colors. Okay. Now children, we have to color these wheels blue too. Okay. Color it nicely. Do not take it out of this borderline. Okay. Do not take the color out. Then we have yellow color over here. Once again, color this wheel. See, we have left it. Then we have red color here. And you can see smoke is coming out from here. Isn't it? Yes. Next we have navy blue in this place. Now you see we have completed coloring our engine. Now let's color the compartments. So our first compartment is of red color. See the colors carefully that has been used in your book and color it accordingly, okay? Color it slowly and nicely so that you do not leave out any blank spaces in between, okay? One by one, we'll color all the compartments and make our train look colorful. Our next compartment is of green color. So we'll color this green. You see children, I'm not leaving out any blank spaces in between. Okay. Okay, so our second compartment is also done. Next we have yellow color for this. You will enjoy coloring this picture of a train. It's looking so colorful. Yes. Okay. Now, our last compartment is of navy blue color. So, we color it in this way. You see, slowly we are filling in the colors in the same direction, and where you have blank spaces, fill it up. Okay, now we have to color this blue color. Now children, now all the wheels are left to color. Which color we have to use for the wheels? Purple color. Okay. You see, this bigger ring of the wheel we have to color in purple. And the inside one, we have to color it in yellow. So once we finish coloring all the wheels, we'll color the inside portion. Okay. Color it nicely. Do not put it inside into the inner wheel, okay? The smaller circle. See. Color it nicely. Okay, now you see, we have colored the outside circle. Now we have to fill the inside portion with yellow. Just make a dot like this. See? Do not scribble, children. Okay, otherwise it will look very untidy. Now our coloring of the train is completed. Now what's left? We have the smoke coming out from here. So which color is the smoke, children? It is black color. So I'll color it black over here. Color it lightly. Do not make it so dark. Okay? Lightly you color. Do not misunderstand this as clouds. Okay, children? These are not clouds. When you color, remember this, that these are the smoke coming out. I have shown you in this picture. You see, here also we have smoke coming out. Isn't it? It's the same way we have here. So, we have to color this black. Lightly. Now you see children, we have completed coloring the picture of the train. Now children, When you color in your coloring book, I know it is going to look very nice and beautiful. So, parents, the worksheets related to this topic will be uploaded on our school website. Kindly check it and help your child to color accordingly in their coloring book. Thank you and have a good day.